Learn how to draw a baby lion in 9 steps. Step by step with this elementary drawing tutorial for beginners, schoolers, and kindergarteners. Step 1. Basic shape. Begin by drawing the basic shape of the lion's head, which is drawn using an oval shape. Step 2. Add ears. Now draw the ears on the lion's head as shown. Step 3. Eyes and nose. Now add round eyes and a triangular nose to the lion's face. Step 4. Add details. In the eyes, add details that reflect the light in the eyes. After that, detail the lion's face using 2 curved lines. Step 5. Draw the mane. Around the lion's head, draw a mane in the same way as shown in the example from Step 6. Shape of the body. Draw a simple lion's body shape like in the example. Step 7. Add a tail. Draw a small lion's tail, and also add the details of the ears. Step 8. Add forelegs. Now sketch out the front legs of the lion. In addition, you need to add a detail of the lion's tail. Step 9. Color your artwork. Now you need to color your artwork with your favorite coloring supplies. Before coloring, we recommend that you trace the contours of the cute lion sketch with an ink pen or marker. Well done. Now you can draw a baby lion. If you like the lesson, please subscribe and press the finger up to see new simple drawing lessons.